Service for service and repair with over 15 years experience dealing with has gone into the lead, I think it is. SS88 Middleton into that bottom corner and he's gone too far again. Mitsubishi Razzie has got out of it. So it's South Somerset 88 starting with and into that bottom corner they go. Coming back up this side and it's South Somerset 88. I think it's 204 this time that's fluffed it. But one lap to go and it's South Somerset 88. From Scarborough to Mayport, 21. He's overdone it again, that's every time. Oh, look what he's done, he's got too giddy. Can they miss him? Yes, they have done. Winners 204, starters 21, 119, 88, Level 4, Western 18, and South Somerset 88. I'm sorry.